I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the display resolution on your macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click the Apple icon at the top of your Mac home screen to open a menu, and then click System Settings. Step 2. Click Displays in the menu on the left side of the screen. The Displays menu opens. You'll see a row of options at the top of this menu associated with your display resolution. You can choose between the default resolution, a 1280 by 832 resolution, a larger text resolution where you'll need to acknowledge that some applications may not fit entirely on the screen, or a higher resolution option that offers more space on the screen. Your new resolution will be applied immediately after making your selection. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.